What's up guys, c'est here for Abir Studio. So today we're going to talk about Premiere Pro. I've got some questions recently and they're all about why the video I'm exporting from Premiere Pro don't look exactly the same as the video I left in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to show you that and also how to solve that issue. And for those who don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about first, then I'm going to jump into the tutorial. So this is the video I shot with the Sony and is S-Log2 actually. So I did some correction, this is what I got from it. And I did two tests actually. And the first test is right here, test number 1. As you can see, this video looks too bright than the one inside Premiere Pro, and also is soft and less saturated actually. But the one in Premiere Pro looks pretty good. And I did a second test using the trick I'm going to show you soon. As you can see, the one with the trick look exactly the same with the one left inside Premiere Pro. So I'm going to show you how you can get the same results inside Premiere Pro using this trick. What you do here is you need to download something called a file called Qt Gamma. It's a .cube file. I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can take it and use it as well. I'm going to show you how to use that now. So we're going to close the two tests. And this one is pretty useless at this point. So once you finish to edit your video, the next step is file, export, and media. Exactly here. So as you can see here, it's none, as everyone Premiere Pro is, but it's different. What you do here is you click on the none here and select. And here you're gonna select the file I just told you about. The Qt Gamma is a .cube file actually. So you click on it and you open it, and that's it. So once you turn it, the lumetric look and loud here, when you turn it off, it gets lighter. And on, as you can see, is darker and more saturated actually. That's what you get here. So this is how you need to export the video. Once you export the video like this, you're gonna get the same results with what you have inside Premiere Pro actually. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, this is what you're gonna get by using this method I'm showing you. This is what you're gonna get. So that's it for today. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and it was very useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share with your friends. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section down below. Till then, I will see you next time.